The negative side effects of apple cider vinegar and how to avoid them. Apple cider vinegar has numerous health benefits such as improving digestion, regulating blood sugar, lowering cholesterol, cleansing the liver, and fat burning. But just like any other health supplement, when used incorrectly, apple cider vinegar may bring harmful effects to your body. So if you're already using or perhaps considering using it, it's important to know these possible dangers and what you must do to avoid them. The first thing that we're going to talk about is how you should drink it. One should never drink apple cider vinegar straight out of the bottle. Instead, mix it with water first. This is because apple cider vinegar contains acid, which can burn the tongue, throat, skin, and can also damage the teeth, leading to stains and sensitivity. When diluting it with water, it is recommended to start with a ratio of a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to 8 to 10 ounces of water. After that, you can slowly increase your intake until you'll find the best proportion for your body. The next reminder is for people who are taking medications to lower blood pressure. Hypertensive people or those suffering from high blood pressure who are under medication should be careful of consuming apple cider vinegar since it can lower the body's potassium levels too much. This condition then causes fatigue, irregular heartbeat, constipation, and muscle cramps. It's important to consult with your doctor first to determine the right amount of apple cider vinegar you can take while not further harming your health. Moving on, the next thing that we're going to discuss is the possible side effects on the digestive system. As we've mentioned before, apple cider vinegar contains acids, and while these acids are responsible for many of the drink's healing properties, these can badly impact the gut in some instances too. For example, if you're suffering from gastroesophageal reflux disease, or more widely known as GERD. GERD is a digestive disorder characterized by heartburn and indigestion. People with GERD can take apple cider vinegar since it helps prevent stomach acids from flowing back into the esophagus, which is one of its main symptoms. However, just make sure to follow what we've mentioned earlier. Never drink it as is and always dilute it with water first. Start with a tablespoon mixed in a glass of water, and you can increase the amount until you find the perfect mixture that your body needs. But before we proceed with the video, if you're finding it helpful so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more informative health videos, and click on the bell icon so you'll never miss any of our future uploads. Furthermore, those suffering from a digestive disorder called gastroparesis should be careful of consuming apple cider vinegar as well. Gastroparesis is a condition wherein food passes through the stomach much slower than normal, and since apple cider vinegar slows down the emptying of the stomach, it can further worsen this disease. Again, consult with a physician to find out how you can drink apple cider vinegar safely without causing harmful reactions in your body. After high blood pressure and digestive disorders, the next thing that we're going to talk about is diabetes. Studies have shown that apple cider vinegar helps in lowering blood sugar levels, which is strongly related to diabetes. But although it can help prevent the development of the disease, it's important to know that for people undergoing diabetes medications, apple cider vinegar can cause their sugar levels to drop too low. And dangerously low levels of blood sugar lead to numbness, weakness, irregular heartbeat, and worse, seizures and loss of consciousness. So if you're a diabetic who's under medications, moderate your apple cider vinegar intake, monitor your blood sugar, and consult with your doctor to be safe. Now you know the correct way to use apple cider vinegar to avoid its few harmful side effects. Want to discover more medicinal foods you can use as a supplement and home remedy, just like apple cider vinegar? Then we recommend that you check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and natural cures that would replace every drug in your cabinet. It includes recipes of teas, infusions, essential oils, salves, decoctions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has a high-definition color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. Check out the link in the description below to find more info about the lost book of herbal remedies. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned because we'll be sharing more informative videos very soon. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.